This is not a real footage. This is Seedance 2.0 in 4K resolution, and the details are absolutely insane. So it's time to test it with 17 amazing prompts and also compare it to Kling 3.0 in 4K to see who actually rules the high resolution timeline. Let's begin. So I will be doing all of my tests in Higgsfield AI as they already have Seedance 2.0 in 4K quality. So let's click here and let's start with National Geographic wildlife documentary style. Here we'll have a snow leopard and many different shots, 15 seconds. 4K, it is costing 330 credits. And here is the result, so let's watch it. Now those are amazing details. Look at the ice on his fur, on his eyebrows, then this close-up, then all of the particles when he's jumping, and then at the end this amazing close-up. Oh yeah, look at the details. Now to make things interesting, let's generate the same thing, completely the same prompt, but now in 72p. Now the pricing for 15-second video is 68 credits, so basically around 5 times cheaper, and let's generate that. It is done, so now let's compare it side by side. So on the left side is 4K, on the right side is 72p. Now, depending on what kind of display you have, the details are of course visible. So here we have the fur up to every details. Here is much more blurry. Then of course at the beginning, the icy snow here, we're here once again blurry. But again, 72p still looks pretty good. And then what I like the most in this side by side, using masking here, is right side 72p, left side 4K, now like a transition. Look at the level of details here and here. And then especially if we do a real close-up like this. Very nice. And let's also compare it to Kling 3.0 in 4K, which costs 90 credits for 15-second video. So basically 3.5 times cheaper than Seedance. Details on the video are also pretty good. Please let me know which one do you prefer. The second prompt will be epic cinematic drone footage. I uploaded this image of a Cinque Terre village in Italy. Very small little picturesque village with nice colors, and the image quality was actually very bad on purpose here. This is the final result. Oh yeah, that was very nice to watch. Now for the video from the beginning, I attached this image of Panther Chameleon. It's always good to prompt like 4K, Ultra HD, 8K, IMAX documentary quality, maximum color saturation for those kind of tests. So here it is. Now let's also test 72p version versus 4K. Can you notice which one is which? Please let me know in the comments. Now let's compare it also to Kling. Here it is. It also looks great, but I prefer Seedance version. Now let's try a prompt of dark cinematic close-up tracking shot inside a rustic sunlit workshop. We'll have many different colors and extreme details here. Here it is, this should be molten glass. great colors. The idea here was to see the texture here while pouring, also the hair on the person's arm, and overall sun rays. These are rather great details. This is that same prompt with Kling. This melted glass in Kling 3.0 is more realistic, but overall the sharpness of the video and the 4K quality I like better in Seedance. The fifth prompt is all about time-lapse, so basically birth of a flower, so let's watch that. It is so satisfying to watch those videos and look at those details here. And since now it's soccer season or football season, depending on where you're from, I wanted to test also that kind of a prompt. It's not so much about 4K realism and quality, but just to test and play with Seedance. The seventh prompt is once again all about the animals, because I think this is one of the best examples to test 4K, is like documentary style. So here we have an eagle. Look at the quality at the beginning. Once again, overall great shot, except I played too much with the details in the prompt, and Seedance then put the whole camera rig on the eagle. I also always like this prompt of vast ancient battlefield, where we transition from the warrior to the arrow and then to micro details. And this is Kling. Now, since Seedance is such an interesting and playful model, let's try this ultra complicated prompt with 15 different shots. It's not so much about 4K realism, but it's very interesting prompt. So let's watch that. Really like this video. I would call it a routine. Now let's check samurai in the dark, rainy night. So that covers the first 10 benchmarks. For the final 7 prompts, I'm stepping out of the way. No commentary, no voiceover. Just back-to-back raw 4K videos. And please drop a comment below. Do you think Seedance 2.0 nailed 4K quality?
Life is beautiful.